So, according to Apple, if you take a nice little rag here and your 100% isopropyl alcohol, give it a 50% dilution of water, you can spray it on the rag, and this will help you clean your MacBooks. So shall we see? So as you can see, that's the MacBook there. Pretty standard. Now it's just supposed to be damp, not supposed to be now. I think the issue is my cloth isn't quite clean enough to really make an effective difference here. Because it's so dirty, grab something a little bit cleaner here. Microfiber pad. That's better. One more spray there. Dry side now. End results. So it's pretty good. A lot cleaner than it was. Significantly, actually. So we'll just go ahead and apply this to the whole thing. Backside, of course, doesn't really matter a whole lot, but we'll just give it a quick run down here, because we're doing it anyway, so we might as well. Back over. Now everyone's keyboard, yeah, oh my gosh. Look at this thing. This thing is freaking filthy. See all that grime? Oh, just everywhere. Go ahead and clean that up now. Screen's horrible too. Super dirty. So this solution of alcohol and water will actually work for the screen also. Just remember always with screens, wipe in a counterclockwise direction. So, give me another spray here. The key from Apple says that you want to get it damp enough to see a little bit of moisture on there, but not enough that you get it into that it leaks, you know, like it runs. So just a damp, like we're doing here. So I'm just lightly depressing the keys so I can get in between these lines here and also clean the keys at the same time. Well, that looks way better. Go over with the dry side here. Oh, missed around here. Okay, so that is our keyboard now. See, screen pretty filthy. Remember, we're gonna go light on it. Nice little light wipe. Now, just want to make sure getting some of this smudge off can be hard because you've got to be so gentle with the screens. You don't want to break them. So this is why it's important to use a lint-free cloth. I'm getting a lot of debris, but it's stuff coming off the screen. It's just a little dry there. Go a little additional water. Right. Get down in there a little bit. Okay. Okay. Give our dry side here. I do have an issue getting in the cracks around the screen, so going to use the old Q-tip method here. Of course, the light is pretty. So, got some gunk there, lightly in the corners. Missed that whole gunk. There we go. What's the screen now? So that's going to conclude our cleaning for the time being. And then next one is going to be the SSD replacement.